Top tools for making viral YouTube shorts. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you the top tools you can use to create viral YouTube shorts, even if you're just starting out. Stick with me till the end because I'll also share a quick trick to boost your shorts reach with AI. All right, let's get started. The first tool you need is CapCut. It's free, works on mobile and desktop, and has tons of templates designed for shorts. You can trim, add auto captions, transitions, sound effects, everything you need to make your videos punchy and fast-paced. Next is Opus Clip. These tools let you take longer videos, like a podcast or tutorial, and automatically turn them into short, viral-style clips. They even highlight key moments and add captions for you. Super helpful for repurposing content. For your scripts or voiceovers, try ChatGPT. Just ask it to write a short, catchy script on any topic or to summarize a long idea into a 15-second hook. You'll save time and get engaging results. Then we have Canva, which is great for designing your shorts' thumbnails, title screens, or even adding animated text. They have a short-sized canvas preset, so everything looks clean and on brand. Now for captions, you can use CapCut. These tools automatically generate subtitles in bold, colorful styles that make your videos more watchable and engaging, especially on mute. Here's the trick I promised. Combine ChatGPT to generate a script, use CapCut to edit and captions. That will give you a polished, scroll-stopping short in under 30 minutes. That's it for now. If this helped you, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more tips to grow your content with AI and free tools. Thanks for watching.